So everyone, it's like 3:30 in the morning, and I decided to take this time to let you guys hear the birds. So for some reason it's nighttime. Actually, it's been nighttime, guys. I'm technically up this late, pardon me. And for some reason the birds are chirping. To me, it sounds like spring is here, but right now is like 44 degrees. Which my sensor is just sitting right here, mounted on the window, on my post. So guys, yeah, but I don't know why I don't know why on earth the birds are chirping for the reason. So yeah.